here that I'm going to be telling myself, you have food at home, sis. Make your own food. Point blank, period. Okay? It's your girl Naj and I'm back with another video. So today we're in the kitchen. We finna whip up some chicken tenders now. For those who know me know I love me some Chick-fil-A. Like, that is my favorite. That Cobb salad with their chicken strips on the side. Oh my God, that is my favorite. Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna see y'all in the future, but for right now, sis trying to save her money, so can't be going out to eat like I used to. Emphasize that, trying to make better choices, trying to, maintain this here vessel. Okay, so today, like I said, we're gonna make some chicken strips, and the chicken that I'm gonna be using is from Whole Foods, and it's their organic chicken breast. This is what I have. It's air chilled, it's boneless, and it's skinless, and recipe inspo is from Kelly's Cooking. Make sure you check out her channel, and let's get cooking. So the first thing you're gonna do is get you 3 containers. The first container, you're gonna put your flour in. Use any kind you like. The second container, you're gonna put you 2 eggs and some milk. All I had was almond milk, but hey, sis gotta use what she got, okay? Then you're gonna give that a nice stir. Then, as you can see, you're gonna slide that to the side. Your third container, you're gonna add your breadcrumbs. I use some whole wheat season and also some panko. And then in the next part of this clip, you're gonna see me doctoring that up, adding the Parmesan grated cheese. And yeah, see, I gotta buy some more because that's finished, dog. After that, you see me going and add my different seasonings. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. It is optional, but hey, make the recipe your own and have fun with it. The best thing that I can tell you to do is put your own signature stamp on it. And like I said, of course, have some fun, okay? All right, so now that all your breadcrumbs, your eggs, and your flour, that's all taken care of. All right, sis. Okay, bro. Now we want to just doctor up these chicken breasts just a little bit, just to make sure that when you bite in them, you really get the full flavor, the full flavor. So salt, pepper, a little bit of sazon. And now we get ready to start dipping, dog. Okay, so are y'all ready or not? First, we're going to do the flour, the egg, breadcrumbs, and let go. All right, so you see me take 1 strip at a time, dipping that, twirling that around in that flour, okay? You shake off the excess, then you're gonna drip it in the egg, and let me be proper and say the egg wash, okay? Last step, you're gonna dip that in the breadcrumbs mixture, give that a little shake, 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 and there you have it, okay? Super easy, right? Oh wait, hey DJ, run that back one more time. So here we go. We're going to drop that in the flour, drop it in the egg wash, swirl that around just a little bit, and then drop it in the breadcrumbs. Super easy, right? I'll pat it in a little bit. And now look at this. You got your own homemade chicken tender. Yay! All right, next step, you're gonna spray your air fryer basket with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. And then you're gonna throw, I know I'm extra. Y'all gonna toss, okay, we're gonna use toss. You're gonna toss them chicken tenders up in there. My bad, it's 12 minutes and the time is 400. And then I forgot to spray them, so you had to do that real quick. Halfway mark, 6 minutes, you're gonna flip them bad boys over, and then you're gonna cook for the remaining, did I say remaining? The remaining 6 minutes. And them little chicken tenders was trying to give me fever, like, yo, what's up? Come on, flip over and let's go. Okay, yeah. Get ready to put these on a plate and we're gonna test them out. All right, guys, so the chicken tenders are all done. Get ready to pour a little bit of my Wishbone sweet and spicy honey mustard up in here, and then we're gonna do a taste test. All right, so we shall see. All right. All right. Y'all hear that? How crispy they are. All right. Mmm. And I'm gonna see if I'm gonna give you guys like a up close picture of what it looks like in the middle. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Sis did that. Like, yo, this here, delicious. And I'm not just saying it, like, if they ain't come out right, I would come on and be like, listen, like, I done messed this here up. But y'all, woo! You know it's good when you gotta dance. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get ready to finish up the rest of these. Well, first of all, I'm gonna go to my mama's house because she done made some baked beans and coleslaw. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my meal. And y'all, then I'm gonna edit this video. So I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm at my mom's house and I told you I was coming over here to get some beans and coleslaw, but I really want her to try my chicken nuggets. So she's sitting at the table. I wish y'all can see the way she's looking at me, but okay, Mom. Could you cut it? You need to cut it. All right, there's the sauce. I want you to try it. Oh, you want to try it with the sauce first or without the sauce? You got to talk a little louder so they can hear you.
I'm trying it with the sauce first, without the sauce.
Okay. Honest opinion. Okay. Oh, she going to piece number 2. Okay. Okay. And now she trying it with a little bit of the wishbone honey mustard. All right, let's see. Ding, 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 ding.
I like that better with the sauce.
But how does the meat taste?
Good.
It's good. Is it dry or anything? Okay, anything that I could do better next time?
No.
So in a word, how would you describe them?
Yummy.
Yay! So that's another win for your girl Naj, aka Air Fryer Base. So I'm officially going now. I'm about to eat, about to go in. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.